Okay. So, I understand that there is a virus out there killing everybody. I understand that a cough is a sign in this virus. What I don't understand is why people look at you as if you cough, you have it, and you probably should be shot the fuck down. That's how people look at you when you cough. It's 90 something degrees and I have not been drinking no water. I said, oh man, I'm thirsty. My mouth is dry. I am getting water. I am standing in line. My mouth is dry. I give off a little cough. I have a mask on because unlike some of these ignorant motherfuckers, I believe if you're out, wear the fucking mask. It ain't gonna kill you to wear this fucking mask. Wear the fucking mask. If you feel like you just cannot do it, take it off for a minute, but make sure you're not around somebody. But wear the fucking mask. It's not that fucking serious. So I wear a fucking mask. But even with the mask on, it's in my natural nature to cover my mouth. But to these loving, wonderful people out here that's acting like they're invincible, they don't want a mask, but yet, as soon as you hear a cough, you looking like if you had a fucking gun, you'd shoot my ass down. Bitch, stay in the fucking house. Don't come the fuck out. Don't wear no mask and don't come the fuck out. You don't have to do shit. Just stay your ass where the fuck you belong. Do not wear the mask. Stay where the fuck you belong. Stay the fuck away from people. Let me tell you about me. I love people. I really do. I just don't like being around. I like sitting around, reading books, enjoying my personal time. I do like to go out and chill with my people sometimes. But honestly, I can do this shit with no problem. It's the money that's holding me back. Money-wise, my ass will stay in the house. I mean, if I had it, it wouldn't even be an issue in the house. I want to thank the Lord for the pandemic, because I did get unemployment. And I want to thank him because I was able to sit at home with my children, because no daycare should be open. I believe that they are the germiest place. Schools are the germiest place. Why are we trying to send the kids back to school? I understand money is needed to be made. Money is needed to live. And all I keep hearing in my head is, can't be fed on bread alone. You have to be fed on the word, the little Lord. So I have been putting in a lot more effort to do a lot of reading. God has been good to me, and I'm so thankful for it. I have enjoyed my time. I have not did what I've needed to do, which is get my house in order, because that's the biggest reason God has made us all stand still, so we can get our houses in order. There's a need for change, because for some reason, somewhere down the line, we have really fucked this shit up, especially in America. And I'm going to tell you where America really fucked it up. When we decided to take prayer and discipline out of the school, because you shouldn't have the right to put your hands on my child. We're no longer a village. You know. I remember growing up, everybody whooped my ass. If I stayed on the street and they caught my ass doing something wrong, I got my ass whooped by the person who caught me. I got my ass whooped by the person who they told, and the person who was fucking responsible for me, when they got their ass home, they whooped me again. See, different times. Back then, they were just getting ready to start to take the prayer out of school for the moment of silence. The moment of silence is like a whole 3 seconds, I think. You know why they gave us a moment of silence? To respect other people's religions. As I sit here, I'm thinking, we have a motherfucking president in the office who doesn't respect anybody unless they saying what he want to hear, doing what he want them to do. This shit is crazy. I am so fucking tired of it. I got on here to make a video because people make an issue, or they looking at you some type of way because you go, bitch, my throat is dry. I'm trying to get me some water. It's fucking 99 degrees outside. My body is dehydrated. Oh my God, it was a little fucking cough. But I put on a mask. You mad because you walking around and you think I'm the one spreading the germs? I'm sick of y'all. Shut the fuck up. Let me put it to you like this. For you people that's out here who don't want to wear a mask, but you think you can look at somebody nasty or have a fucking comment when somebody cough with a mask on. Y'all just like the same motherfuckers that's complaining about who in the office but ain't never fucking voted. Shut the fuck up. That's what you need to do. Don't fucking look at me. I'm getting real tired, and I'm a very motherfucking peaceful person. But I'm getting to the point, I think I'm going to pop off at the next motherfucker who looks at me funny. Because I done came from outside where it's 98 degrees. And I'm buying me a bottle of water because I'm thirsty as hell. But I got a mask on because I ain't going in nowhere if I can prevent it. If Lord knows I have forgotten to put my mask on, I keep it in the vehicle so I always have it. And I don't know how many times I done got out of my vehicle, walked all the way to the store. Do you know what it feel like at 98 degrees outside? You walk across a Walmart parking lot and you realize you don't have your freaking mask. You know I make that walk back, right? I make that walk back. Because the mask is the closest thing that I can find as protection. I need some protection. It's uncomfortable. Y'all them same motherfuckers that turn around and got 1,000 fucking kids because of condom, you can't feel it. Oh, God. We just gonna pray about it. That's what we need to do. What I need everybody to understand is, my grandma used to always say, when it's storming, turn everything off, sit down and be still. This virus is a different form of a storm. Sit your ass down and be still. I understand money needs to be made, but at some point you're supposed to sit your ass down and be still. Nobody has faith anymore that they're going to get through it. And I don't understand. How the hell did black folks stop having faith? If anybody had faith, it was always black folks because we done went through so much. But now, we ain't got no faith in nobody but ourselves. The hell? The Lord get us through it all. But you swear you did it all by yourself. We're not a village no more. We think we're invincible and we can do it all.